I have the right to hold the phone.
Down.
Why can't I hold the phone?
Put the phone down.
Why can't I hold the phone?
Put
This
the
is
phone
for
down.
my safety, sir.
Put the phone down.
How may I help you?
Hi, are you the city clerk?
No, I'm the deputy county clerk.
Okay.
City clerk would be City Hall.
Okay, maybe you can at least give me some insight on what to do.
Okay.
I'm trying to file the Wisconsin Open Records Law for the Highway Department Commissioner's Office. I called up, probably not here. You tell me what I need to do after I tell you, please. The city clerk, and it was for the county, I think. But anyways, I asked her, how do I file this? Do I come here to this office or the department that I'm requesting it from, the Highway Commissioner's Department?
Correct,
And she
yeah.
says you have to go to that department.
Correct.
So I contacted that department, and they've instructed me that the only way that they will accept a public records request is that I have two options. I can go online, if I have a computer, or I can come to the outside mailbox and drop it there. And those two suggestions don't allow me to get a stamped receipt, right? If I email something to them, there's no record that they got it. If I put it in their mail drop outside, I have no record. So it could be 6 months, and I go, where's my records? Well, we never got it. By law, I'm allowed to go in there and physically give this to an individual for them to stamp and give it back. And she told me that the only way that would happen is I have to make an appointment, and that's illegal.
Okay, that I am not quite sure because you're dealing with a different department. You're dealing with the highway department. So they told you that you couldn't go inside?
They told me in order for me to come inside to make a public records request, I have to make an appointment. And that's, I'm just telling you, it doesn't matter if it's the highway department, it's your department, anybody's department, that's illegal. They cannot do that. That's a violation of my rights. So why I'm here now is I want somebody to help me so I can file this and get a receipt and then leave and it's done. Because they're not going to accept it. I'm not going to go out of my way to make an appointment for something that's violating my rights. They have no right to make me make an appointment. And anybody with the public has a right to go in and do what I'm doing.
Okay. I don't know. Okay.
So the question is, am I, like you said, am I at the wrong department here now? Is that what you're saying for the highway commissioners to do? Because I'm not going there. I need to find the clerk that covers the highway department. That's where I want to request this. And you're saying this isn't here?
This is the county clerk's
This
office.
is what I want then. They're in the county. The highway commissioner is the county. So
Okay.
I need to file this here.
Okay, sir, why don't you have a seat for a moment? Okay?
Sure.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to ask that you stop recording me, okay?
Well, you're a public employee. I have every
am,
right to be
but
in
this
here.
This is our office.
This is a lobby.
No, out here is where you're able to film.
So
and this is our office, and I'm asking you to stop.
So you're saying that I can't film in here?
That's right. We have county code, and that's part of the county code.
What's the county code? That I can't come into a public lobby and record?
That's correct.
Okay, you're mistaken.
If I don't give you permission to, I'm asking
You're
you
a
to
public
stop.
servant. You're in your course of your duty. I have every right to record you as a public servant when I come into a building that my tax dollars pay for. I'm not in a restricted area. I have every right to come in here with a camera or without a camera and record. Just because you feel uncomfortable doesn't trump my right to violate my rights to film.
Okay, Laurie, would you call again? I'm asking you to stop, but I will give you information where to take your public records request.
So you're not going to do it here?
I will not take it here
Why is that?
because we're not the custodian of the records that you're looking for, sir. We don't have control of those records.
So you're going to tell me I must go to them?
To the highway department, if that's who you're asking for the records.
But they're refusing to take them from me. That's why I'm here. So you're just telling me to go back, but see, the reason I'm here is because they're refusing to take them from me. So you're not really helping me by that. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so I'm going to give you the information for the contact, and you can try different people in that department.
Okay, so that's not going to help me. But thank you anyways. I don't really need you highlighting that. It'll take more of your time. I just need your name, please.
My name is Linda Herman.
Herman? Herman?
Correct.
Okay, I'm going to leave now, and it's disappointing that as a deputy county clerk that you tried to violate my right by not being able to record in here because you feel uncomfortable. You need to learn the law, please, learn the law, and don't get emotional and don't call a bailiff. If a bailiff comes, he can do whatever he wants, and you're going to have a big lawsuit, and you're going to be one of them named. So let's see what happens.
I'm asking you not to record.
No, I'm
in
still
your
recording
your
here.
office.
Yeah, no, I have every right to record in here. I have every right to record. You haven't helped me at all. And you know what?
I have tried, though. I'm going to give you numbers.
No, but I've told you. I've already contacted them, Linda, and that's why I'm here. So you're just telling me, well, contact more people there. Listen, I'm very good. I'm knowledgeable. I'm not an idiot. You're talking to me like I don't know what I'm doing, and you just want to get rid of me. So I'm very disappointed in your actions. I don't know how you got this job, but do better next time. You guys coming for me?
Hell no to the no, no.